Quick introduction to Read Aloud. Read Aloud is a very powerful text-to-speech app which can read aloud web pages, news, documents, books, or your own custom content.
You can enable Clipboard Monitor for easy and quick sharing of URL/text from the clipboard. Reading web pages. You can use the sharing techniques mentioned above to share a web page to read aloud. Or use the web button on the
home screen and enter the URL of the web page you want to read. Reading a file. To open a file, click the File button on the home screen and select the file you want to File Explorer by using Open With.
You can also directly open a file from the File Explorer by using Open With and then selecting Read Aloud. Supported. Ant Fairy, it's not suitable for you to be the wife of the demon cult/author, Feng Guo Chang'an. Status, completed. Introduction. My name is Yun Fei, and I started out with S Master's birthday. What have you prepared?